Ow! It's broken!
Hello! I need to take these tires to my workshop. They're so heavy. Whew, I think I'm gonna take them one by one. Someone's at the door. I'm coming. I'm coming. Hello, Mr. Crane. How are you? I can see something is wrong. This should be attached to you.
Hello, Chris. Yes, this happened when I was busy working. Great! Bring some more! Lifting now. Oh no, it's broken. My cable has broken. What should I do? You should go check yourself out at a mechanic's. I know a really good one.
Oh, I see. This is a ripped cable. This is very bad.
Chris, maybe you can try tying them up together.
No gas pump. We should replace it completely. I have some spare cable somewhere on my shelf. It's not here. It's not here. Ah, there they are. Let's find a suitable cable. Let's see. It seems that it's too short. Let's see. What about the pink one? It seems that it's too thin. It won't fit. Oh, what else do I have here? A green cable. It's thick enough.
Yeah!
It's long enough. It's perfect.
All right, here you go.
This goes here. And a little bit more. All the way here. Perfect! Now we just need to attach your hook. Let's try to untie it first. Now let's put it in its place. Okay, now to tie a knot. There we go. Here you are.
Don't forget to fill up your tank. Now I'm ready for some gas. Bye-bye, Mr. Crane. Thanks for your gas. Bye.
How are you feeling now? Wow, Your cable is really strong now.
I'm feeling brand new, thank you. Time to get back to work. Bye-bye.
Good luck with your work. Bye-bye. I gotta go move my tires.